Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button screen recorder. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, let's do it one more time. By tapping here, so here you can select your recording resolution, you can select video quality, you can select orientation, you can select the sound source, you can fix frame rate, or you can just set it to be automatic frame rate. You can lock screen to end, show touch gestures, visualize navigation buttons, go back to screen recorder. No, don't go back. So after you tap on the screen recorder button once, this screen recording menu will appear. And recording starts. So let's record some of our screen. To stop recording, just tap on this red button here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen recorder album, and here it is. And recording starts. So let's record some of our. And from here you can share, edit, or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.